Recovering strong, the key to post-workout rehabilitation. Have you ever wondered how bodybuilders manage to push themselves to the limit day after day without succumbing to injuries or burnout? The secret lies in their post-workout recovery routine. In this video, we delve deep into the world of rehabilitation, uncovering the strategies and techniques used by top bodybuilders to bounce back stronger than ever. Get ready to discover the key to unlocking your body's full potential. When it comes to bodybuilding, the intensity of the workouts can take a toll on the muscles and joints. Without proper rehabilitation, these stressors can lead to injuries that hinder progress and prevent you from reaching your fitness goals. That's why post-workout recovery is just as crucial as the workout itself. To kickstart the recovery process, it's essential to prioritize rest and sleep. Your body needs time to repair and rebuild the muscle fibers that were broken down during your workout. Aim for at least 78 hours of quality sleep each night to give your body the time it needs to heal. In addition to rest, nutrition plays a vital role in rehabilitation. After an intense workout, your muscles are starving for nutrients. Make sure to consume a well-balanced meal or snack within 30 minutes of finishing your workout. This will provide your body with the fuel it needs to repair and grow stronger. But it's not just about what you eat. It's also about what you don't eat. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks, as they can increase inflammation in the body and delay the healing process. Instead, focus on consuming whole foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. While rest and nutrition form the foundation of post-workout recovery, there are additional strategies you can incorporate to optimize your rehabilitation. One of these strategies is active recovery. Engaging in low-intensity activities such as swimming, yoga, or light stretching can help increase blood flow to the muscles, flushing out waste products and promoting faster recovery. Another effective technique is foam rolling. This self-massage technique helps release tension in the muscles and break up any adhesions or knots that may have formed. By incorporating foam rolling into your routine, you can improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and enhance overall recovery. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good massage. Whether it's a professional deep tissue massage or a self-massage using a massage gun, the benefits are undeniable. Massage helps relax tight muscles, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation, all of which contribute to faster recovery. As you embark on your post-workout rehabilitation journey, remember that consistency is key. Don't expect overnight results. It takes time for your body to repair and adapt. Be patient, stay committed, and trust the process. And most importantly, listen to your body. If it's telling you to take a break or make adjustments to your routine, don't ignore it. Recovering strong is not just about physical recovery. It's also about mental and emotional well-being. Take the time to relax, meditate, or engage in activities that bring you joy. Remember, a healthy mind goes hand in hand with a healthy body. In conclusion, post-workout rehabilitation is the missing piece of the puzzle when it comes to bodybuilding success. By prioritizing rest, nutrition, and incorporating strategies like active recovery, foam rolling, and massage, you can optimize your recovery and come back stronger than ever. So, go ahead. Take the necessary steps to recover strong and unlock your body's full potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And remember, your journey to greatness starts with proper rehabilitation.